Hello boys and girls. So if you're a proud owner of a Honda Element, there's a high chance, well not a high chance, there's a 100% chance that your auxiliary port doesn't work like it should anymore. So what I mean is, when you plug in auxiliary cord, nothing happens. And usually it's supposed to switch it automatically to auxiliary in here. Sometimes I'll try, if you persuade it a little bit. So, easiest way to fix it is actually just to replace the whole thing. Some people will tell you to take it out and solder it. Don't go for that BS. $11 on eBay, brand new. Just replace it. This is how you get it done. First of all, this is my girl's car, so there's just a bunch of shit in here. Sorry, stuff. Just pick it up. Alright. So first, we're gonna have to get the glove box out. The easiest way to get it out is to get the little rollers off, or whatever it's called. I don't think it's called rollers. I'll show you what they're called, so I'll show you how to get them out. It's those things. So all you have to do is put your hand in there and kind of squish them, and then pop it out. And there's just same thing on both sides. That way the glove box is out of the way. Like that. Once the glove box is out of the way, I have to reach in here and see if we can get this thing popped off. So let's see if I can get you guys some eye of sight in there. Not much to see there. There's a huge reinforcement, and kind of right behind the reinforcement, that's where the connection to that is. Now let me see if I can pull it out and show you. Let me see if you can see it. There's a little bit more light in there. Probably not, but that's where all this stuff is. Okay, you gotta prop the socket out first. It just held by little tabbies over here. I actually was able just to do it from here by using this little pry bar, because it gives you just enough angle to pop it up. And then there it goes. You just have to literally try to press this with that. Alright. So once this is off, just have to press the little lever, pop this up, and put our cheap Chinesium. Where did they put it? Oh, there it is. And the Chinesium goes in. And you know what? If it goes out in a couple of years, it's only a couple bucks. So now, let's see if it will actually work. So remember, it did not even want to register it before. Let me turn the sound down so I don't get sued. So let's see if I can set it up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, see, it says 99.1 right there. Let's see if it'll say AUX. Boom, AUX. As soon as the cable inserted. That is it. Now we just gotta pop it back in. Pop it back in, just pretty much reverse the process. So this will go in first, and this will go in second. Look at that, better than factory. Now the hardest part is to put those roller things back in. Let's see if we can get them down. Sorry for all the camera shit. Okay. Holy boys going in there. And to put them in, you have to have it like halfway close, so you can kind of, you can push it in after this ridge over here, because this ridge is on the way, so you have to kind of have it partially close to push it in. That's it. It's all done. Alright my friends, hopefully this video helped you out. Hit thumbs up, subscribe if you like. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?